Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech classes, and today we are going to discuss about some of the applications of data science. So without any further delay, let's start the video. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Your support motivates us to keep this channel running. There exist various applications of data science in today's world. Some applications given in CBSE handouts are internet search, targeted advertising, website recommendation, airline route planning, fraud and risk detection, genetics and genomics. And the very first application is internet search engines. We use them to search anything, any content, any cooking recipe, anything educational, any address, any government rule, or any information. Means we use search engines for all types of queries. When we talk about search engines, we think of Google, right? But there are many other search engines like Yahoo, Bing, Ask, etc. Just think how many queries you can handle in a day. Just imagine Google handles almost 65 to 70,000 queries in 1 second. Means almost 6 to 7 billion queries in a day. And to handle such a large number of queries, search engines make use of data science algorithms to deliver the best possible result for the search query in a fraction of a second. They perform a lot of hidden tasks like autocorrect of misspelled words, catch up the incomplete words or sentences, find most appropriate results for our query. When it gets thousands of results for our query, it needs to index the results so that the most appropriate results can appear on the top. And we can also search anything from the speech or from images. Considering the fact that Google processes more than 20 petabytes of data every day, and without data science, it's impossible to handle such a large volume of data, right? Next comes targeted advertisements. If you thought searches would have been the biggest of all data science applications, here is a challenger. It's the entire digital marketing spectrum, starting from the display of banners on various websites to the digital billboards at the airports. Almost all of them are decided by using data science algorithms. These advertisements are targeted based on our past behavior on internet. If a person is searching for shoes or visiting some shopping website for that purpose, then he will get advertisements related to shoes on his other apps also, right? Now comes website recommendations. Suppose you have searched for a drone on Amazon. Then whether you have purchased the drone or not, but whenever you will open Amazon again, it will give you recommendations for drone. And not only on Amazon, but if you open Facebook, you will get recommendation for drone, or if you open YouTube, you will get recommendations for drone, or if you open Instagram, you will get recommendation for drone there also. How do these apps came to know that you are interested in a drone? Actually, whenever you search for anything in your device, your search data is stored in your device search history. Not only your search data, but your likes, dislikes, location, and other digital habits. Everything is stored in your device. And now, these websites or apps get the data about your interest from your device only. And then on that basis, they start giving you recommendations. So, in this way, you get a personalized experience on your device because of AI. Now comes airlines route planning. The airline industry across the world is known to bear heavy losses. Except for a few airline service providers, companies are struggling to maintain their occupancy ratio and operating profits. With high rise in air fuel prices and the need to offer heavy discounts to the customers, the situation has got worse. It wasn't long before airline companies started using data science to identify the strategic areas of improvements. Now, while using data science, the airline companies can predict the flight delays. They can decide which class of airplanes to buy, whether to directly land at a destination or to take a halt in between. For example, a flight can have a direct route from New Delhi to New York. Alternatively, it can also choose to halt in any other country. And finally, effectively drive customer loyalty programs. Many airline companies are adopting data science to bring changes in their way of working. Next, we have fraud and risk detection. The earliest application of data science was finance, right? Companies were fed up of the bad debts and losses every year. However, they had a lot of data which used to get collected during the initial paperwork while sanctioning the loans. They decided to bring in the data scientists in order to rescue them from losses. Over the years, banking companies learned to divide and conquer data via customer profiling, past expenditures, and other essential variables to analyze the probabilities of risk and defaults. Moreover, it also helped them to push their banking products based on customers' purchasing power. Data science applications also enable an advanced level of treatment personalization through research in genetics and genomics. The goal is to understand the impact of the DNA on our health and to find individual biological connections between genetics, diseases, and drug response. Data science techniques allow integration of different kinds of data with genomic data in disease research, which provides a deeper understanding of genetic issues in reaction to a particular drug or disease. As soon as we acquire reliable personal genome data, we achieve a deeper understanding of human DNA. So these were some of the applications of data science. In our next video, we will cover a scenario-based question related to data science. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.